Yo, what's going on YouTube? B Dot back with another quick video. Alright guys, it's Friday night. I'm just getting home from work. I'm actually going to step out later on, so I figured I'd go ahead and give you guys a quick video of how I'm going to line up my beard with the razor. Now for the most part, if I do line up my cheek line throughout the week or maybe on the weekend, I usually just use my Andes liners. So I don't really hit the razor as much as I probably should. But today, since I'm stepping out, it's Friday night, I figure I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick video. Now of course, this isn't rocket science, so you guys do know, get you a little boar bristle brush. Make sure you brush all your hairs down so you can get you a really straight line. Now I'm going to be using my Diane straight razor. Now I've used this blade about maybe 4 times with the same blade. As I told you guys, I only used it to line up my cheek line, so it doesn't really dull out as fast as if I was using it on my head or doing my neck and everything as well. So today I'm going to go ahead and change it out, pull out a brand new Dorco razor. Now the other day I was on Amazon.com and I came across this B-Ball premium shave cream. I will put links in the description, but this right here is a clear shave gel. So when you put your line on your beard, or if you're going to use an eyebrow pencil or the cut buddy pencil or whatever pencil you want to use to line up your beard, you can actually see your line. So I like to use clear shaving gel when I'm doing that. Now I'm going to go back to my cut buddy pencil. I'm not going to use the actual cut buddy itself. And that's the thing about establishing your line. Once you get the line that you want and the height that you want your cheek line to be, it's easy to just grab a little pencil and just go right to that line and actually make you a really clean line. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Make sure they're even. Always leave a little room for error, you know. And once I finish hitting it with the razor, if I need to go back over it dry or using my talc, I can do that as well to really make it pop. Gonna put something right above the line. Now that pencil is white and this shade gel is white, so I was hoping that it would be a lot clearer, but it's gonna wipe in clear. As you guys can see. I still can see the line. Rub it in. Goes on pretty thick actually. Now I didn't put any water on my face or anything like that, so it may actually lather up if you add water. But when I'm doing my cheek line, I just put it on straight out the bottle. Always pull your skin the best you can. I understand you're doing this yourself, so your eyesight is kind of wishy-washy, but try your best to pull the skin and look over your finger. Now to the other side. The shaving cream really has a very pleasant smell to it. Almost smells like a beard balm or something. Damn it, caught an ambulance. Look at my face. Just go right to that line. Now I'm pretty heavy-handed, so I really had to get adjusted to using the straight razor. As far as not really pushing down too hard, you gotta really let this thing just glide. You know, sometimes I still get caught up and pressing down too hard, and I will cut myself from time to time. But as you do it, the more you do it, you get a little bit better, and you remember those cuts you had the last time. So wipe all that chalk off. Hit it with some talc. Make sure you get it nice and dry. I'm over here looking like Blackula. I be showing my age too much, guys, man. A lot of you guys don't even know who the hell Blackula is. You probably know Dracula, but you don't know Blackula. For the most part, I'll sacrifice how sharp my beard is to actually keep my beard cheek line high. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it looks good enough. I'm fine with that. I'm not going to keep digging and digging and digging, and before you know it, I got a damn chin strap. So we're definitely not going to do that. I've never in my life used my straight razor on my neck, and I probably never will. Go ahead to stash real quick, and then I'm gonna send you guys on your way. Oh, also in the last video, I told you guys that when I did that brand new beard wash soap that I bought, that bar soap, and I told you I wanted to get a little container to keep the stuff in. I actually went to Dollar General and I found this container for $1. And here's the bar soap that I used the other day, and it fits right in here perfectly. Snaps in place. Now you can put it back in the shower and don't have to worry about it melting on you or getting your shower all soapy. This is a really, really cool thing to have. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I want you guys to have a great weekend. And as always, thanks for checking me out. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos, and I'll holler back. Peace.